Hey everybody, Adam with Eau Gallie Electric, Solar Clean Energy Education Station. Today's video, we are going to answer this question. Should I monitor closely my solar system? So this is for people that have solar already, and the question is, should I be monitoring this system and why? Stay tuned, we'll give you the answer. Is monitoring my existing solar important and why? So once we've decided to make the investment to put solar on our homes, it's important that we understand this investment and understand the system that's installed. There are times that maybe we purchased a home that already had solar on it, so we know a little bit about it but don't completely understand it. The reason we need to understand it is because it's important that we make sure it's working correctly. The way to do this is monitoring. So as you look at your system through an app, you need to be sure that the production matches what's going on in the elements outside. So if it's been a sunny day, you should have high production. If there's cloudy days, you should see less production. There are two types of systems basically in solar. One is a system where every panel is able to talk. Every panel has a voice, so they can talk back. Then there are string systems where a group of panels has a leader, and that leader talks back. So in each system, monitoring is very important to make sure that those leaders, whether it's one talking for 6 or 7 or 8, or each one talking for themselves, is saying the right thing, speaking the right language, and producing what you've paid for them to produce. So yes, monitoring is important. There is maintenance, and we're going to talk about that in a later segment, so make sure you subscribe. That's important as well. So what we'd like to do here at Eau Gallie Electric is, if you have a system that you're not quite sure how it works, if you have a system that you're looking at but you don't feel, well, I'm not really monitoring it because I'm not sure what I'm doing, we would like to help you out. So I am going to offer all of our listeners the first year of monitoring service for free. So we will take a look at your system. We'll try to get its credentials, if possible, moved over so we can see them. We will monitor your system for a year and make sure that it's working the way it should. If it isn't, we will provide you with the information necessary to make repairs, adjustments, whatever might be needed. So please take advantage of this. We'd like to hear from you. So give us a call, visit us on the website, and we will talk to you more about why that monitoring is important. So thank you again for joining me here at Eau Gallie Electric's Solar and Clean Energy Education Station. And remember, here at Eau Gallie Electric, we'll keep your lights on for you.